So let me show you how to download and install Inshot on your Windows laptop. Now, to download Inshot, you need to have an Android emulator. Now, there are plenty of emulators you can use, but for me, I like to use BlueStacks. So what you need to do is simply go to your favorite browser and then find BlueStacks. So just search for BlueStacks on your browser, and then you can see the BlueStacks website right there. Click on it. It's at bluestacks.com, and then you should see the big blue download button. So you want to click on that to begin the download process, and choose where you want your installer to be saved, and then click on save. Now, I had already downloaded mine, so I'm just gonna navigate there and find it. So it's gonna be in the downloads folder. There you go. So all I have to do now is double click on this installer. It's gonna check that I have virtualization enabled. Then I'm gonna click yes on that window, and then now it's checking my system. Everything good. So if you want to, you can change the path of where you want your installation to be done. Mine is fine in the drive C, and then you need to click on agree and continue. Now keep in mind that we're still just downloading BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator upon which we are going to install Inshot. So just be patient. It's downloading and setting up. Once it finishes downloading the necessary files, now it's going to extract and install. With the installation complete, now it's going to launch itself. You can see the BlueStacks app player. I'm going to close the browser so we can clearly see what's going on here. So let me just minimize the browser, and then it says connect your charger if you want to get the most out of your gaming session. So okay, I got it. So here we have the Android environment right on our laptop. So now what you need to do is go to the search function. You might need to sign in with your Google account so that you can use the Google Play Store. But let's go to search and find Inshot. And tap on enter. And here we have the Inshot video editor. So you want to click on install from Google Play. That's going to launch the Google Play Store inside the Android emulator. And then, like I said, you're going to need to sign into your Google account. So go ahead and do that. Should be a very straightforward process. Once you're signed in, you'll need to read the Google services as usual, and then finish the sign-in process. And now you can be able to see Inshot, and you can now go ahead and install Inshot. And just wait for it to get downloaded and installed inside your BlueStacks Android emulator, from where you can be using Inshot. There you go. So with the download complete, now I can launch Inshot at any time from here. And of course, I will always see Inshot on my home screen. So if I go to my home screen, I should have the Inshot icon there. I can double click on it and launch Inshot at any time and just use it. Simple as that. So that is how to install Inshot on your laptop. Thanks for watching and good luck.